Alright, I'm gonna drive to the store, pick up some oxtail, and I'm gonna see if curry oxtail is a vibe. Big vibe. Big vibe. So, like, share, subscribe. We're going to the store to get some oxtail. Curry oxtail today. Big vibe. Crazy chef. Facebook is going wild right now. Facebook is going wild. Everyone says I can't curry oxtail. But I'm gonna make some curry oxtail. So I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go to the Brazilian store, get me some good oxtail and big vibe. Curry oxtail. Look out for the vibe. Like, share, and subscribe. As they say in Jamaica, this is a real yard man thing. This is a fantastic, fantastic thing. So today we're making curried oxtail. Yes, I said big vibe. Today we're making curried oxtail. So everyone in the world has a brown stew oxtail, just regular oxtail, fantastic. Today we're making curry oxtail. So what I'm doing is I put some curry powder in my oil and I burn it. Then I put my oxtail in my pan and I brown it on both sides, so to say. So I browned my oxtail on both sides, and as I said, big vibe, curry oxtail. Hit that like button if it's your first time here. Hit that red subscribe button. We post like 3-4 videos a week. You know, we have this YouTube vibe. So big vibe, curried oxtail. So we brown it on both sides. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper, some chicken spice. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of Old Bay seasoning right in my oxtail, because you know oxtail is very good. It's like probably one of the best dishes in the world. Everyone loves it. So you let that simmer until you let it simmer till your oxtail is tender. Then you add your condiments, which would be it's curry, so I'm gonna add some Irish potatoes, some green peppers, some onions, some spice. I put some thyme in there, a little bit of Scotch bonnet. I put a little bit of jalapenos in there, and I just let that simmer all the way down to gravy. And I garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley. And this is what we get. Guarantee. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curried oxtail. Still keeps it original brown color, but the gravy is fantastic and the dish is absolutely beautiful. Crazy chef, big vibe, curry oxtail, huge vibe. Hit that like button, hit that share button, big vibe.